welcome. Thanks for having a look. Gracias. This is Spanglish Fantastico. My name is Ruth. Now, why Spanglish Fantastico? Well, because it's un poco de Spanish, un poco de English, so it's Spanglish and it's Fantastico. What can you get on my channel? You can get a 100-day introduction to español to get you started. And that's a video a day for 100 days that looks at some things that you can say when you're on holiday, as well as some stories, even a poem or two and a song or two. So 100 days to get you started. There's also the Daily Word Builder series, and that comes from this book here by my friend Dan Hall. This is a diary that you keep about your Spanish learning, and each day there's a word, and there's more than that, but there is a word that I explore, go into a little bit of detail and open up the word so that you can remember it. And finally, for now, there are lessons that take you through this textbook. This is a book that is usually used in a classroom. It's called Pasos, and you can study it with me on this channel. There's a lesson or two for each section of the book, so that's about 70-80 lessons, and they're each about an hour long, so that's a real commitment, and you will need to buy this book if you want to do that course. So that's what I've got on my channel. If you want a fun place to start, have a look at Harry's list, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope that we can learn some español together. So see you soon. Hasta pronto.